Do you want to get a bonus at 1xbet? So watch this video until the end and I'll teach you how. First, you enter the link that I will leave in the description, and when you are here on the 1xbet page, you will click on registration. Now here on the left, you will choose your bonus, which is casino or sports. After choosing your bonus, select the one click. Here, you will enter your country and currency. And in the promotional code gap, you will enter the code MrBets to be able to redeem your bonus on the first deposit. Then click Register. Go through the CAPTCHA, which is very easy. Your registration information will be here. If you want, you can enter your email for more security. Then click on Make a Deposit. And finally, you will choose the payment method you want and find best. OneXBet has more than 70 payment methods, and after making your first deposit, you will already have your bonus active, whether for sports or casino, your choice. Thank you very much for watching the video. Leave a like if it was useful to you and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.